In this video, we're going to help you diagnose a door latch problem in your dishwasher. So to test your door latch mechanism, there's a lot of different door latches depending on your make and model of machine. In this particular case, the door latch works by when you close the door, this slides into place and is captured and held. And then when you go to pull your door open, it's simply the force of you physically pulling the door that it pops this little finger downwards. So inside the latch there's a spring, and that's what operates that little finger that comes up and grabs the metal strike. Over time that spring will weaken, or the plastic pieces around it will have some wear. So what will happen is that pin that comes up and holds it, it starts to be able to be released with as little pressure as possible. So instead of that being held nice and tight, it gets a little weaker, and it doesn't take much effort for that door to pop open on its own without anybody even touching it. So if that's happening, you're going to want to replace this mechanism, and that should have you back in business.